Currently in your area,
45 degrees under partly cloudy skies. A winter storm watch and a wind advisory, a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service.
here's our local Doppler radar.
Today, mostly cloudy and windy with afternoon showers. High 48. Wind south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Higher wind gusts possible. For tonight, windy at times with rain likely. Low 42. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Higher wind gusts possible. And on Thursday, windy with a mix of rain and snow. High 48. Winds north at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. Winds can occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Higher wind gusts possible.
Currently in your area.
And tomorrow night, watch a potential winter storm. Snow early, low 11. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches.
Currently in your area.
On Wednesday, we'll see a chance of rain. On Thursday, we'll see wintry conditions. And on Friday, expect fair skies.